I see the man put out some message. And when I look back on the message them, you know, and I look, you know. Me look out, you know, me look back on Lady V texting me about that know Lady V, you know, me say blood clot. I lie, the man tell pan Lady V, you know, but a good for Lady V. Cause Lady V should never go back at you, me no want talk. Show the people them how much time when you go pan live, you call her. Tell the people them the truth. How much time you go pan live and text Lady V. I tell her, say you're there on live and I ask her, she there on live. She can't care for her phone come to you now. She can't care for her phone come. Ashanti, let me tell you something. Your time done. You coming out with this now. Yeah, you will make $100 card, that's how you be. But you can't make no more riot or you can't. You run with Sheena Carty. Her Carter, cause you always a boss and a tell me. You can't run me off of social media, Ashanti. Ashanti, you can't get me off. That's why you're the only bumbo clot thing. What you can do, I make Lorraine go draw up Baba Michelle and cuss, and so be blood clotted because you're gonna get Lorraine to play by your platform. You're not gonna get me a play a cuss Lorraine by your platform. Just like how you will not get me come out here for come cuss Lady V. You try everything, it not happen. And that you did feel like you overmake your face, so you feel when you put up, you go jump out and come cuss Lady V. No, you're too blood clot wicked. Come with the truth. You're too lie. When you do this, you're an evil man. You think of me. You think of me, you only show your blood clot people them. Cause if you will do this, what else would you do? Remember that same cause go on platform, go ball and say she and Bob wife a cousin. I lie the mother tell because me and Lady V. Me know how Lady V text. Jennifer, that's why somebody called me this morning. Queen B, big up you see sometime in a life. We feel to say people is against we. Queen B, big up yourself anywhere you're there. And me say so you respect Lord. Me know you do it for say Lady V a hypocrite, you know. Me know you do it. But you see the text them, somebody screenshot them for me. I remember me text with Lady V. Lady V is a grammar writer. She would never send them the type of writing that then there's something that look like a dirty struggle writing. And when me compare the writing, me say no man, I'm not valuing this. I'm not valuing this. Me say me don't go away and come back and come do a live and tell him and say all if I did valuing until you carry the date come, you're too liar. And you feel like Ashanti, you can't get me off here. Listen to me. You hear me just tell you look like me and Lady V will never have anything and that him a do. Them the message they honor from Lady V. Lady V don't write that way. Lady V don't write that way. Lie ma tell panar. Lies. When me see the writing them, she not do it. And him always a call her and a tell her a true Lady V now go be somebody where I go in it. Lie ma tell pan Lady V. Lie ma tell pan her. Lie. And take it from me. If me tell her say a lie, Ashanti tell pan Lady V. Other people write him. Other people write him and him take up them thing. We see what him a do. Remember, you have too much things up under your tail. You have scamming, you have woman abuse. I remember you go lick Danielle in her face. Come here, play the live, play the live, play the live. And me tell you if you play this. You abuse woman. You're a liar like what you do now. You set up people and you make too much confusion on the internet. You just want to be like you're the king. There is nothing in king in that. That to show you say is a wicked and an evil man. And it only asks people this now. Yesterday you come out and you say you expose Lady V. So now it's the ask. People will ask, is that credible? Are really Lady V information? Really Lady V text them there? I'm glad you come do this today. I'm glad. The phone bill where you look at for me and Malachi $40. Can you do it and swear to God say you're going to get a big show. Ashanti, your days of big show finish. Take Sunday a mark. Sunday if me can't send you the amount of people of 13 years come like me say no man. Me say me is a part-time worker. Me even tell one of my little brethren them say look here. Me is a part-time worker. So me going to be full-time part social media. I mean I get a paycheck. And them laugh. That's when you could only get with no bloggers and live 115 people. It's sending you the people them where you think when you come, the people them only want to hear. When me dey on voice note I say, when me dey on recording I say me no care. And when me say to her, what a nasty dirty that's try to say a fake show you. What really not this Ashanti? What really not it? What really not it? What is real into it? What real in it? What real in it? What real in it? What kind of hero you turn from yesterday till now? What kind of hero you is on social media? What you do from yesterday? You expose or you this and nothing now go. What you do? Remember, say me make you a Lady V, you know, when you did the live the night, you know. I sorry I did tell Lady V, call you and make you feel, make you understand a mother's pain. And yeah, Lady V talk the night, you know. And when me and you did vex, you run go to Lady V, you know. And you come to me come tell me say you want the woman. That's you the call me when Lady V a go because me no chat people business. And me never did I tell you nothing. You call me the morning and I cuss. And I say, oh Lady V they are foreign and me not tell you. I say to you so that not even me didn't know that time alive. Me know Lady V did I go travel. Make him beg pretty screaming and blood clot because the only thing he can get a $5. $5. Nobody now I'm phone money him want and money to pay for the basement. Nothing else. I'm self in my exposed because then somebody people are go now we know. Somebody are go say them wait, why would do that? Why would I do that? Why he would do that? Take off people picture and I say make the woman call me, you know the facts when take off the people them picture. But yesterday out here with the message and I say a Lady V send him them there. And it's not Lady V send him those message. It's not Lady V. I used to the voice message with Ashanti's play. Me I go tell you. Me I tell you no something. When Lady V I tell him to call him when him can and when him black no Lady V lie I tell. Right. That was the who remember the night when him with the $50 argument with Lorraine. I'm going to come out and do the live and the cuss and say, Lady V, set me up. When me start to cuss Lady V, remember say me a cuss Lady V, no? Lady V, no. Lady V was calling me the night when me a do my live. If you wish you come out, come talk. And then Lady V start to call him. And then listen to what I am telling you. Then because Lady V did not call me when me dey on the live tonight, because she wanted to know what happened. Then Lady V called him. Him no answer, and that was when she sent him that voice note if I call him when him can. If I lie, me I tell about that voice note. No God, no they me believe there's a God. That was the night because me did a cause and she could me never answer her call. She sent him that voice note. No, when Lady V come in with him on a private number. Lie him a tell, lie. That's why so much confusion because him cannot talk the truth. Him cannot talk the truth. Me no say Lady V won't tell him, and Lady V never did say no, but them the message and Lady V write them. Me not ask you. Tell me, I tell you. Line tell upon the woman. You see all of them woman that when I hide me ID, I sit down and I wait. Cause me send somebody, you know, go take down the part of phone number, you know. So me see if me can find the number of the person there. Cause you not get my views. I'm in a top for me supporter them from go where them want go. Because you see all of who I send you hide me ID. Remember one day, yes, everybody soon want who. Just like how the other day when you come with the woman there and we come out and you make the woman gone. As long as you have cause on your platform, you're going down. Cuz come out here and cry. When cuz come first, she says she and Bob is cousin. Then after she says she and Bob suppose wife. Cause I don't know if it's a Bob wife name. It's cousin. Then to prove when it come out, is you send that woman over flex. You send that woman over flex. Ashanti, go and find yourself a job. Too much confusion. I have to find Peter White to find out who him send that money for. You look if me not go get cause. Me I get her. Me did I wait for the owner the picture then come. King fool, you too blood clot craver. Me put up the picture them. Cause the want the owner for the picture then come. You bumbo clot idiot. Are you fool? You're too blood clot enough and jumpy. You should have waited till me come and did a live, and then with that live you would have something. You don't have anything. Jamaica Constable Air Force, they put up a man picture. When they put up the man picture, the man did go to Trinidad, tell he losing life and go down and bury. So I don't know me one make mistake with picture. Put the man family them in a one distress. Police put up police. Put up a man picture for them want the man for this. That time the man they at Trinidad and losing life till the man got Jamaica and bury. You me say you just a blood clot shit where you name and you just a name you vomit like. You should have wait till me do a live. Oh you fool so boy, you should have wait till me do a live pan it. Putting up people picture and one. Information me a look idiot. The only thing when me wrong for to put up. I'm not wrong. I look for the person for the picture come forward. You should have wait till me do a live. You are set here trap me a set blood clot my line. When the picture them go out there, you should have wait till me do a live. You're too enough, but now you want money. You want money, you want Malachi $40 for send go give him. So who know a idiot? And who know you and your little dirty girl from Jamaica send go buy her a chip now. Cause the number go out. You think that I gonna make you credible, Ashanti? It only show people how you are. It only show people. You see all of them people, let me say this too.